Good afternoon and welcome to eRepair. So today I am repairing another 2DS. I mean, it doesn't take much to realise what's wrong with this thing. So someone has definitely gone at the touchscreen with a vengeance. I've already just turned it on very quickly. It does all seem to function. All the controllers and everything work fine. D-pad works fine. All the buttons work fine. It will turn on in a second. I can't find any other fault with this. It does work absolutely fine. So what we will do, we'll turn it back off, take it apart, see if we can figure out how to get the touchscreen out. Because I have not done that on one of these before. So battery compartment first of all, battery out. So I'm going to do this fairly quickly. I've got another video on repairing the charge port on the motherboard, which I've done previously. So you've seen me take one of these apart before. It's not the most complicated thing in the world, just lots of little screws. And there's sort of 8 or 10 of them on this back piece. And it is just literally a question of working your way around and unscrewing them one at a time. That's 2, and then we can get this apart. Lovely. Right, next thing we're going to do then, get this in here. This. There you go, I can already feel all the buttons falling out of it. And then again, undo our ribbon that's behind here. So lift this black piece up, pop that out. That's our power button switch, 2 side pieces. I misplaced one of these last time, so I'm going to take these 2 little poles out and I'm going to put them somewhere safe. Remove our buttons and our springs that hold the buttons, that trigger the buttons presses, preferably without doing what I just did, firing across the room. Okay, so we've got again another 10 or so screws holding this in. That's the one with the back piece. And then we'll just quickly whiz around and take all these out. Again, these are all, I believe, the same size, so you don't need to worry about where you put them when you put them back in. It takes a couple of minutes. It's not a long process to do. We're already over halfway, and I'm, where am I? 3 minutes in. He says try not to rush. So what we'll do after we've done all of these is we will undo all our ribbons in a second, and then we can lift this all out. Last one. There we go, undo this ribbon cable here. It should hopefully, there's a bit of new ring coming out. Undo this one. And these all just lift up. And then undo this one. And I've missed 2 screws there as well. Now, assuming I haven't missed anything and that I've disconnected the screen, because that's a good thing, and the joystick. It should hopefully lift out. Now just remember there is a speaker attached to it on the top right just here. It will lift out with the board. So there you go. That's all lifted out. Now, let's take our joystick out first because it overlaps the screen slightly. That's that. Now I don't know how this comes out because I've never tried lifting one of these out. I'm hoping I can just lever it up. Oh yeah, that's just going to lift out. Perfect. Let's just give it a bit of a wiggle. There we are, there's our screen assembly. drop that over to one side so it's not in the way. Right, so our digitizer is here. So it's this ribbon here that comes off of it. Now it is still partially intact. In fact, more than I thought it was. Now, I don't know if I can lever it up or if I'm going to heat this. I'm going to imagine I'm going to have to heat this. Oh no, it's just lifting away. Look at that. I don't have to heat it up. That's excellent. There we go. So that's that out. That was really straightforward to get out. So I have got our new one here. Arrived today. Very well packed, may I add. So there you go. Hopefully this has already got, it has, so this has already got adhesive tape on it. So what we'll do is we'll just peel this off. Yep, definitely on there, and then we'll line this all up, put it straight back in. Look at the side. I would have thought this would need to come over more. There we go. That digitizer is now in place. Just run my finger around the edge just to make sure that is down nicely. And then what we'll do is we've got a second layer of plastic on the back that I didn't take off. There we go. Perfect. Pop our LCD back down over the top of this, and that will stop any dust and dirt and gunk getting on there. Make sure our ribbon's lined up. The screen's not quite in the right place. There we go. So what we'll do is we'll stick our board back over the top, and then at least we'll be able to see how the alignment looks. Is that in the right place? Grab our screws for the joystick. Right, let's get our reassembly done. So grab our board, pass those cables through, as carefully as we can. Speaker into place, and we'll just grab our flex cable through here, and our flex cable through here. Just put that down. Speaker back in. Make sure our switch is lined up. Okay, now we just need this back piece. As carefully as we can without shifting everything. Set that down in. Perfect. There we are, that's all in position. Right, so I won't make you watch me do this. I will get all my screws back in, and then I will come back to you. So yeah, if you liked the video, you found it useful, it showed you how to replace the screen on those, and generally you were able to take something away from it, then brilliant. Otherwise, subscribe to the channel, drop us a like, leave us a comment, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.